Luis de la Rosa.
Siyempre, first of all, happy birthday. Ayan, dahil ka na. Siguro ang wish ko lang sa'yo is mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Okay? Psychology ka, di ba? Hindi ba? Okay. Sige, basta. Kahit ka matigil, tapos huwag magiging sakit ng ulo kay mommy, sa kay daddy, parati mo sila sasute. Okay? Kaya na, enjoy mo lang, masaya yan. Get there, okay? You still have a long way to go, okay? Basta, enjoy mo lang, party, basta, makakabalik ka lang natin, okay? Yeah, happy birthday, I love you.
Thank you for 4 years of friendship. We've been together through ups and downs. We've been through a lot of struggles back in high school. We had a lot of really fun moments way back then. You know almost everything about me and vice versa. Whenever you need someone to talk to, you have my number. Hello, his sister. Sister from another mother, partner, friend, and best friend. I hope you reach all your goals in life. Happy 18th birthday. Love you. Maybe call on Miss Maisel naman. Hello, happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me here. Kahit sobrang tagal since nung nagkita tayo, naalala mo pa rin ako. Kami, yan, 18 ka na. Welcome to a world of God. Real lady. Always be ready sa mga, alam mo, haharapin mo na as you step in your real world. Aral ka ng mabuti yung mga pinangarap natin dati. Tutuparin ka din natin yan. Kahit hindi na tayo sobrang in-touch mga classmates natin dati, always stay connected sa mga ganitong occasions. Thank you sa memories natin dati and yun na, huwag kong makakalimutan. Happy birthday! Thank you very much. Here we call on Miss May Aquino. Hi, Bal. Since bata pa lang tayo, people always misjudge you as you are corporate type, ang loud ng personality and medyo rebel. Pero hindi nakikita ng marami yung charismatic na dependable, yung di nakiiwan pag kailangan mo. Yung labis na mellow lang. Ngayong 18 ka na, nothing and no one can stop you na from doing the things you love. Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay kahit anong track ang tahakin mo, sana mag-enjoy ka. Ayun lang, be as happy as you can be. Happy 18th birthday. May God continue to bless you with your family. Okay, thank you. May we have Miss Carla Binuo.
Hi everyone, and of course to you, Louise, who is celebrating one of the most precious moments in a woman's life. Ayun. Just keep it in mind that we are always here to support you, and of course our Almighty Father who is just up there guiding us. Ano pa ba? Stay as you are and always be beautiful inside the sky. Happy birthday.
Next is Miss Rona Cristina Desiderio.
Hi, Louise. Though hindi tayo masyadong close personally, thank you kasi nakilala kita, especially the social network life, you know. Thank you for inviting me here. I really appreciate it. So, ngayong 18th birthday mo, sana tuloy-tuloy yung happiness, doon sa boyfriend mo, study hard, and syempre, ngayong legal age mo na, tayo na nandaan, study hard, but party hard.
Miss Joanne Rada. Hi, Louise. Happy birthday. Now that you're already 18, I wish you all the good things in life, never-ending happiness, outpouring love, and unwavering health. As you are about to enter another chapter of your life, being a lady, I just hope you enjoy every moment of it. I hope that you will remain strong in whatever challenges you may encounter in the future. Always remember that I will be always here for you if you need my help. So, wish you all the best and I love you so much. Happy birthday! Next is Miss April Joy Balues 14th birthday. I wish you all the best. Just thank you for everything. I'll be always here by your side, no matter what happens. You know how much I love you.
Next, let's have Miss Nika Desiree Miles.
Hi, Ate. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. I'm always here when you need a problem. I love you always.
May we call Miss Charmaine Doroleso.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Dahil hindi na nakakagawa tayo. Ingat ka palagi, Ate.
May we have Miss Janelle Alexa Malsi.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. It's very kind of mahal. Ingat ka palagi. Happy always.
And of course, last but not the least, of course, our dear mother, Mommy will still provide the last wishes for the candles. Those who are not around, we still have 7 candles here, and she will be representing the people who I'm sure have their wishes for Stephanie. Just so happen that they're not physically here right now.
Hi, Ana. Happy 18th birthday. Lagi mo sinasabi sa iyo na mag-aral mabuti. Iwas mo na sa kung ano-ano. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami ng papa mo para sa iyo. So, tandaan mo ha, yung sinasabi ko. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan mo na? Ha? Huwag mong nakalimutan ka na. Kasi, importante yun sa buhay mo. So, may God, yun talaga, di ba? So, bilang mama mo, pinapaalala ko lagi sa'yo, yun na dapat mo gawin. Ngayon, 18 ka na, alam ko, mature ka na. So, stay sweet, beautiful, and loving daughter to us. So, pag mga mag-asawa ha, alam mo ko, kaya mo yan. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal ka namin ng papa mo. We love you always, God bless, and good luck sa adult school. Thank you.